guys, it's me, Julie. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a DIY, which is industrial mirror, or some people call it window mirror or something, you know, window. So yeah, hopefully it turns out nicely and smoothly, because this is really my first time to do it, so fingers crossed. I think it's gonna take a bit longer. It's not gonna take a day or 2 days, I don't know. Let's just see how it goes. So I'll be doing it in the garage, and then I'm gonna be showing you all the things that we need and tools. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, welcome to our garage. Right, first things first, here's the plywood that I'm gonna be using. This is an Mdf plywood. It's 6mm deep or thick, it's that. So if you're wondering why it's cut like this, it's because first, it's not gonna fit in my car, so I had to ask the staff from B&Q to cut it by 4, because, and also it's a lot cheaper to buy a big plywood. So yeah, it's like that. And we're gonna need this a what's it called, rough sawn timber. This is what I'm gonna use for the frame, the mirror each. And then I also have this timber. I'm gonna use it to support the plywood at the back, so you'd see it later on. We need some drill bits, wood glue, some screws, sandpaper, measuring tape, ruler. Once it's a bit dry, I'm going to put some tacks in it to make it more stronger. So there it is. Just wait until it gets dry, because I couldn't carry it outside and put some nails or tacks in it. So there you are. Guys, so I've already done the board. Now I'm gonna put this spruce as the border. I'll do it like that on each side. And this one I need to cut this too, because they're a bit long. I haven't cut them yet properly. I've already done the border, just needs drying. See, I let it dry first, and then before I put all the frames for the mirror. Hey you guys, it's second day, so that's the status of our frame now. It's already dry from the other night or from the other day that I've glued them. So today I'm gonna try and put this little spruce with the mirror in it, just to make sure that I have the right measurement, or they all fit together. So this is the mirror I'm gonna be using. It's from IKEA and it's called Lots. It's 30 by 30 centimeter. So I bought 5 packs of this and it's £7. There's 4 mirror total in each pack, so I needed 18, so I bought 5 packs because it's 5. There's 2 extra just in case, you know, one of them might break. So that's what it looks like, guys. But then I want to show you the mistake that I've made. So this edge here, there's a little bit of space, and on the same side, on the other side, sorry, see, so it's fixable, so it's alright. Now you see the mistake I made, and good job, I have strips to fill in the gap. And the reason why there is a space between is because I used the wrong ruler, and I'm using another tape measure, so it made it a little bit screwed, but then it's alright. At least I have this and it fits. So what I'm gonna do is, I already cut this same size, 30 centimeter, and I'm just gonna fill it with this. Just gonna do it now. Now guys, that's already filled, so it should be alright. Now I'm just gonna glue them all together while the mirrors is there, and I'm gonna get rid of the mirror and paint it after, or once it's glued, or once the glue is dry. So yeah. Hey guys, so everything's now glued up together. They are now strong, and I've also put some I've also put some tacks on the edges, and also I screwed them at the back just to give it an extra support. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to sand them, or sand it, and then I'll paint it afterwards. So that's now what it looks like. It's almost there. So I'm gonna be using primer, and it's white color. If I like the white paint, then I'm just gonna keep it like that. I don't need to paint it with a different color like black or something, because I want to see how white paint looks like. So I think this is Alright, so I'm just gonna start painting it now and then just see what's the result later on. So hey guys, it's now finally dry. I think I put 4 coats in it, so it's alright. And I'm going to put the mirrors now, so.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, so I've already finished the mirror and it's now hung in the wall. And sorry if I cut the video because I got busy that day, so I'm just gonna show you the final look. So yeah, I hope you like it, guys. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video and thank you for staying with me to finish the mirror that I made, and I hope you like it. And if you do like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And also happy 500 subscribers. I really appreciate your support, guys. It really means a lot to me. Aww. And also to those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click to that subscribe button and click the notification bell, so then you'll be notified on my next videos or for more videos. And so yeah, thank you everyone, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.